Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to download Lucky Patcher on your iOS or Android device instantly with no jailbreak or no root. You can get access to all kinds of tweaked apps for free with this Lucky Patcher download, okay? So if you guys want to install Lucky Patcher, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, I've got the app icon right here, okay? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this, okay? So the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari, okay? And go to the website apphacks.co/lucky, okay? There's the website, guys, apphacks.co/lucky, okay? Now basically what this site is going to do is it's going to download the Lucky Patcher installer profile, and from there it's pretty easy. So I recommend you listen to everything I say from here on out, okay? If you don't want to have to do this over again and you just want to do it properly and get it right the first time, okay? So just listen very carefully to all the steps, okay? So just click on go once you've done that. And by the way, on iOS and on all iOS devices, this only works on Safari, so make sure you do it on Safari, okay? So just click the allow button, okay, close. Now for Android, basically you're just going to install an APK. It's very simple. You just go to that same website and it'll just download the APK, but for iOS it's a little different. Okay, so but it is the same steps following. Once you download the APK and once you download the profile, it's the same exact steps. So anyways, guys, if you're on iOS, click on the settings app, and as you can see, it says profile downloaded right here. Click install, see Lucky Patcher installer, click install, next, install. Like I said, guys, on Android you will just get the APK. So as you can see, I just updated my Lucky Patcher app, so we're gonna open that up. And again, like I said, from here on out it is the exact same process on iOS and Android. You will get the same exact screen once you open the APK and once you open the profile. So anyways, guys, so as you can see, it says welcome to Lucky Patcher installer. So to get started, you click the get started button, okay? And basically it's going to take you to a content injection web page. And on the content injection web page, it's going to instruct you to install and open 2 apps for about 30 to 60 seconds each. And basically what the developers did is they hid the files for Lucky Patcher in these apps, and when you download the apps, install them, and open them for 30 to 60 seconds, it begins transferring all the files over to your device. And so basically, guys, I just want you to let you know you need to pay attention to each individual app's instructions. So some apps will say install and open 2 apps for, some apps will say install and open for 30 seconds, but a lot of them might also say like download this app and play up to like level 3, or like download this app and win 3 games, or download this app and sign up. So guys, you have to make sure you do exactly what each individual app says, because that's when the files get transferred over. So for example, when it says download this app and play up to level 3, once you hit level 3 in the game, it initiates a break in the code which begins transferring the files over. It's just an extra security mechanism just to protect from Apple finding out easier. Makes it so the method lasts a lot longer to get Lucky Patch installed on your device. So yeah, guys, I recommend you just follow the instructions exactly. Within 30 minutes, Lucky Patcher this screen will basically just be the Lucky Patcher app, and it should be working completely, should be working 100%. So yeah, if it doesn't work, guys, within like 30 minutes, you need to install more apps, leave them open longer, and make sure you follow each individual app's instructions, okay? And it will work, guys. It will work. This is working. As long as this is here, as long as there's a content injection page, it is still working. So guys, like I said, you need to just do the injection properly. Just do it right the first time. Basically, guys, just install all the apps, leave them open for as long as you can, and just follow the exact instructions that they say, and it'll work, okay? So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Lucky Patcher on your iOS or Android device. I'm out.